Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are well. Children, I hope your morning is as bright as your smile. Let's start today's topic. Children, see this beautiful picture. What is this? Yes, this is solar system. Do you know how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system, and children, Earth is one of them. Earth is the only planet which supports life, where all living beings live. Children, today we will read about the motion of the Earth. So children, all of you open your SST book and open lesson number 3. And what is the name of the lesson? Movements of the Earth. Movements of the Earth. Children, in this chapter we shall learn about the movements of the Earth. Two movements of the Earth are rotation and revolution. Children, rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. See, the Earth moves in two different ways: rotation, revolution. Rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. So today's topic is rotation. Today we will read about rotation. All of you put finger in your book. When you spin a top, it rotates on its axis. Similarly, the earth also rotates on its axis. This movement is called rotation. What is rotation, children? When earth rotates on its own axis, this movement is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The only difference is that the axis of the earth is invisible. Children, axis of the earth is an imaginary line and it is not visible. Because it is an imaginary line, we cannot see it. The earth rotates in a slightly slanted position as its axis is tilted. The direction of the rotation is from west to east. Children, earth rotates from west to east. That is why it appears as though the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, children, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Rotation. The earth rotates or spins on its own axis. See, children, earth rotates on its own axis. Its axis is an imaginary line between the North Pole and the South Pole. See, children, at the top of the earth or globe is North Pole, and at the bottom of the earth or globe is South Pole. And children, this red line is an imaginary line, and children, it is called axis. Earth rotates on its own axis, and the axis is tilted. The earth takes 24 hours to complete a full circle. Children, earth takes 24 hours to complete a full circle. Okay? Children, day and nights are causes due to the rotation of the earth. Day and night are caused by the earth's rotation. Children, how do the day and night cause? Day and night are caused by the Earth's rotation. As the Earth rotates, a part of the planet faces the sun. A part of the Earth faces the sun, while the remaining part faces away from it, faces away from the sun. The part from the Earth that faces the sun experiences day, while the other part that is away from the sun experiences night. Understood, children? See, the part of the earth that faces sun having day and other part which is away from the sun is night. The rotation of the earth every 24 hours causes day and night. It is day on the side of the earth where the sun shines. Children, see this part of the earth receives sunlight, so it is day. And children, on the other side of the earth is night. See, other half of the earth is night because it is away from the sun. It does not receive the sunlight. So half of the earth is having night. See, half of the part of the earth receives sunlight and other does not receive. So, the part of the earth which receives sunlight is day and other half is night because it does not receive sunlight. See this, children, sunlight. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood today's topic very well.